In the world of skincare, do you realize how important this LED light therapy is for your skin and for your hair? Let's get into the benefits of it. This red light therapy here is wonderful for anti-aging, for wrinkles, but don't use it more than 15 minutes and don't use it every day if you're going to be using it at home. For everyone with acne, this blue light is just for you, but please understand, you have to use all of these treatments not more than 15 to 20 minutes. Do you have spots all over your face? You want to purify and bring your skin tone to one level? You can use the green light. For all my redness clients, or if you have rosacea or you have inflammation in your skin, you can use the yellow light for that. You have active acne right now, so you can use the purple light for that. Uneven skin tone, you want to balance your skin, get it more rejuvenated, use the blue light for that. So did you discover which was the best one for you? Please remember, LED light therapy not more than 15 minutes if it's skin or hair. Just make sure it's 15 minutes, maximum 3 times a week if you're doing it at home. Follow for more.